Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. Usually I do cleaning videos, but lately I've been wanting to throw in a little bit of DIY. So today I'm going to show you how I make this stand shelf furniture thing. How to make this from what I bought it from to what it is now. This is what I display some of my candles on when I'm at farmers markets. So I kind of wanted to show you guys how I spruced it up a bit. So I will show you how it went from this kind of dull, dingy, brown looking colored thing to this right here. So if you would like to see how I DIY'd this, then go ahead and keep on watching. So first things first is I'm going to cover this chalkboard because I'm a 5-year-old and I will get paint all over this chalkboard. Now let me tell you, if you guys are a frequent goer of Hobby Lobby, you will know that this shelf is from Hobby Lobby. I do love the color, I really do, but it just doesn't match my setup. My setup is black, pink, and gold, and this color just wasn't gonna fit with it. Now, this was a little bit more on the pricier side. This isn't more of a cheap DIY. This is just a DIY on how I made it look uniform with all of my other decorations at the farmer's market. If you want a cheaper version, I have a video of that coming soon. I bought a few things from garage sales and then I painted it and spruced it up. So that video will be out soon. This one isn't more of a budget-friendly one. It's just kind of a making it match my setup type of thing. But right here, if you see, it's not the darkest of black, and because I really liked the color, so I wanted to see what it would look like if I put just a little bit of black and had the brown peek through, and then I didn't like it. So then I go back through with a complete flat black color, and this will match my entire setup. Don't you wish we can really paint this fast? Every time I watch somebody speed anything, it's always super relaxing and super satisfying. But in real life, I'm like, oh, I really wish that I can paint that fast or clean that fast. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tape off of the chalkboard. Now, excuse my handwriting when you see it. I have the worst handwriting. I'm talking 5-year-olds, once again, better than me. And also right here, I was rushing because we only had one day. I had bought this late, so I had to hurry up and write candles on it, and that way it dried and everything for the next day. But yeah, so right here, just ignore my handwriting. It's crap. I know. I write like a 5-year-old, and I can't draw to save my life. But I ended up making a sign for my candles that I put up at the farmer's market, and this kind of matches it. So I'm just going along with it. I'll fix this later. But if you know how to draw or anything, this is going to be the perfect thing for you. But I just thought it would be easy to, you know, kind of set up since it's tall. When people walk by, they'll see candles right in their face. So that's what that is. And then these are the fake flowers that I have that are already on my table, and they're decorated around my candles. You'll see the little white dots on the shelves. It's because this is the next day. I had already gone to the farmer's market and we had already put signs up, so you'll see little sticky stuff. But I have my husband do it because my husband was the one that set it up at the farmer's market, so I was just kind of like, can you please recreate that? But these are the colors that I have. And then I have these little sticky things that I put on the back of these chalkboard tag type of things. And And then I just display my candles. I love the way the display turned out. I think the shelf was perfect. I think it was very eye appealing to where people saw it and they knew exactly what it was, and it was inviting. I'm going to have to show you guys my setup at the farmer's market. I'm already planning on that video. It's just really hard because by the time we get there, the whole setup, it takes forever. But one day I will show you guys the exact setup and how I have everything showing. But yeah, this is my candle display. And this is how I turn the brown, normal, how everybody else buys it. And I switched it to where it works better with my setup. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. I will be back with many more DIYs, hopefully a lot more budget friendly though. And yeah, that's going to be it. Thank you guys again, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.